is the family member name. This is the head of the family. A Jadi Raka.
Okay.
A that means anak agung. Whenever I came from outside, I will visit my kitchen first because the fire is there. The fire symbolics God's Brahma. So when I get inside from outside, everything bad on me together is leave, gone, burnt, leave my body. And then on the special ceremony, when I attend my community, when someone passed away on the cremation day, I will attend, right? And then when I came back from the cemetery, I will visit my kitchen first, but on the special way. In case you like to have a look, please.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Atungan. But so far, when the woman get monthly period, they cannot do the offering. But they still okay to preparing.
Okay.
On the west side, and then the family member will stay inside. That is the son from this family. And then the main function as well for welcoming the visitor, because like I told you, we stay in the part of the community. We know each other really well, and then when we stay in the community like this, countryside, majority we are farmers. 80% we are farmers for the rice. They are okay to visit us anytime. They will talk about what rice we grow next season, and then especially for the harvest time, they will ask for help. Because when we do the harvest, 5 until 7% will help us. And then this is the system, they not ask for the money.
This is in every Balinese home.
Everybody needs home, but for now they make the house, they combine the architecture, look more modern. But the location, every house is same. This one we call Rong Telu, Komulan. Rong Telu, Rong that means room. Telu that means tree. So this worship for Trimurti. Trimurti are three means gods in Hindu. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Brahma is the fire, he's the creator, he made the world. Vishnu the guardian, water, and then he take care everything, and then whenever the world get dangerous, he will go down as a patar to save the world. And then Shiva, the highest one, is a destroyer, symbolized by the wind. And then yes, we have a long wood with the big hole in the center, but almost no one have that one anymore. And then they will do like this, crush the rice, and then later on they will remove the skin, and then something like that. And then down here, sometimes they take the rest. Sometimes the young men chilling together with. And then, you know, every family they have rooster because cockfight is really popular. But that's illegal. Illegal but legal. Public building, when the sun 3 times, someone died 2 times, the woman get married, 1 time, baby. But this one, they set for emergency signal. For example, we got a big fire, earthquake, the sound will be really fast. That's been emergency signal. Who know, you heard something like that, just run away. Kind of rice, this is Bali rice, the one with different color. This is red rice. We have 2 different kind of rice. This is Bali rice. That's where we do harvest.
we're about to cross a very slim and risky plank. More so for the camera than for me. So let's see. So we've just walked up the stairs from where the waterfall was or is. We just walked up the stairs back. Yeah, so that's why we're all sweaty. But our lovely tour guide has gone to get us some young coconut to drink. Yeah, get some electrolytes back in our body. That's why we're dancing.
Speak for yourself.
So where are we?
We are at Monkey Forest in Ubud, and we are going to see some monkeys.
You sure those monkeys?
I think so. I actually have no idea. There's some koi fish, and apparently loads of statues. And we're going to find out about what they all mean as we go along.
So we are at, how do you pronounce it? Dallas by the pool. And what are you going to have?
I am stuck between the grilled fish, the chicken skewer, and the freshwater fish.
Did I say grilled fish? I meant grilled duck.
I am going to have the number one, which is called a bebek goreng. So that's a fried or grilled duck served with chicken satay, vegetables, Balinese sauce, and yellow rice. And for starters, I think starters is standard, so we're going to have a vegetable spring roll with cabbage, spring bean sprouts, and carrots. It's called a lumpai sayo.
And dessert?
Most likely the rolled crab with coconut and palm sugar, but I might change my mind since my wife might try to eat out with that.
Hello, miss. Hello, sir. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are.
Start with ladies, miss.
Yes. And then some pineapple juice.
Aw, so sweet. And for you, sir?
Can I please have the fried duck? Good choice.
Good
Yeah,
choice. You can serving.
Yeah.
Crispy and grilled. You already
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. I thought of it.
Yes. And for the juice.
Lime juice.
Oh, you is very amazing. Thank you so much. You is very amazing. Good. Can I repeat the order?
Yeah.
One grilled duck, one fried duck, one slice of tropical fruit, one dadar gulung, and for the juice, one pineapple juice, and one for the lime juice.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mister, for your coming in the Dallas Warung. What moment you're drink, I bring you the first. Thank you.
Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
So we've just had our fresh pineapple juice brought with our appetizer stroke starter, fresh spring rolls. I've gone with lime juice. It's almost like an onion salsa. Some red paste, assuming chili paste of some kind. Those look like nuts. Yeah, they are nuts. Maybe chicken satay. And my deep fried duck with some vegetables and crispy onions on top.
This for the banana fritters. Got of you? The ladies first. And this your dadar gulung like a roll crepe. Inside coconut and palm sugar.
Mine was just the fruit.
The fruit? But mama, yes.
So that's my crepe. Has some coconut and palm sugar inside. Yeah, it's I think the color is like that because of the dragon fruit. And we've gotten some banana fritters as well.
Another side belong one family, another side another family.
Oh, so like the lines when they do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because this side terraces and then the line is look like a snake, so a bit difficult to show you. But on the regular rice pump, that is square. Like in my area, that's just square like that. The line is straight, so easier. Which one's mine? Which one's mine? The hair will spread out. That's where they cover everything. Because after they do the hard press, they will feel itchy.